Here are 5 roles in the tech space that are gaining traction and require practical skills rather than formal education. So at number 1, we have chat support specialist. So guys, what do you do as a chat support specialist? You simply assist customers via live chat, no calls, just fast typing and clear communication. And this is why this is a great entry point. Many companies actually provide paid training and only require strong grammar and responsiveness. And for the pay for chat support specialists, approximately $17,000 to $65,000 per year. And where to actually get started, you simply want to go to Mosquad, Live Person, Alorica, and also remote.co. So guys, you can actually find this job right here, alright? And I want you to take note of another important fact. For you to land a remote job as a chat support specialist, you actually need to be consistent. That is very important. So guys, I'm not sugarcoating anything. So guys, it is possible you earn up to $17,000 to $65,000 per year. So guys, if you are ready to actually put in the work. And number 2, we have online content moderator. So what do you do as online content moderator? You simply review user generated content and flag posts that violate platform policies. And this is why this is valuable. It is distraction free work, no meetings, just focused moderation. And the pay for this is around $16,000 to $60,000 per year. And where to start? You can simply get started on Telos International, Mosquad, and also Remote Tax. And guys, at number 3, we have website and app tester. So what do you do as an app tester? You simply test websites and apps and also give feedback on bugs, usability, and user experience. So while it is engaging, many enjoy being the bug finder and no coding is necessary, just clear, detailed feedback. And the pay for this is between $10 to $50 per hour. So where to get started? You simply want to go to user testing, try my UI, and also usabilities, alright? And also guys, I'll be leaving another secret website that you can actually make use of to actually get all these jobs, alright? I'll be leaving it on my Telegram channel, alright? So at number 4, we have junior AI assistant, alright? Junior AI assistant. So what do you do as junior AI assistant? So you simply craft prompts that guide AI tools like ChatGPT to produce better, more accurate outputs. So this is why it is booming. As AI becomes mainstream, companies pay well for quality prompt creators, alright? And the pay ranges widely between $20,000 to potentially $100,000 plus per year. And you can actually get started on prompt base, Fiverr, or any AI focused job boards, alright? And at number 5, guys, we have search engine evaluator, alright? So now this is what you actually do as a search engine evaluator. You simply evaluate and rate the relevance of search engine results and online ads, alright? So now this is why this is available to beginners. No degree is needed right here, just sharp attention to detail and web savviness. And the pay is typically $44,000 to $73,000 per year according to data, alright? Flexibility and self-paced tasks are the norm right here. And you can get started on Appen and also Telos International, alright? So guys, there's a growing acceptance in the tech industry, especially from the big names like IBM, Google, and Apple, that skills matter more than degrees. Apprenticeships and self-taught careers are actually on the rise. So guys, if you're watching this video, this is an opportunity for you to actually get started today. So guys, for instance, data center technician roles now offer 6-figure pay and require just your high school diploma, your WAEC, your NECO to actually get started, alright? Another good thing is companies like Posh AI now offer remote AI engineer and growth roles to people without degrees. So guys, this is something anyone can actually do. All right, so guys, if you actually got value from this video, make sure you subscribe and make sure you actually like this video. All right, please like this video and also share with your friends. So guys, I'll see you right in the next one.